Police say the Fort Worth father, who claimed he accidentally shot his daughter while taking a gun from its case, has holes really all over his story. And family members have told police the dad was deeply depressed, medicated, and that he used guns to play sick games and even chase his children with them. Fox 4's Laurie Berger with newly released documents. Laurie, I mean, I read some of those things. It sounds like a scary place for a kid to be if they're all true.
Well, yeah, and if you take that testimony of that 7-year-old seriously and really has no motivation to lie, nobody is accusing this dad, Steve, of intentionally shooting and killing his daughter. But this arrest warrant affidavit does raise serious questions about what was going on at the time of the shooting, and it raises doubts about Mr. Wilson's account of what happened. The arrest warrant questions what really happened the day 9-year-old Anaya Wilson was shot. Her father, 34-year-old Thomas Brock Wilson, has been arrested on charges of manslaughter. Wilson admits he was handling the gun on May 30th when it went off. But the Fort Worth police investigator used inconsistencies in Wilson's story as reason to arrest him.
So apparently he doesn't believe what the father is telling him.
According to the affidavit, Wilson explained to investigators he, his wife, and Anaya were in the master bedroom planning an upcoming camping trip. Wilson said he was taking a gun out of its case when it went off, hitting his daughter in her right shoulder. Attorney John Teakell's not involved in this case, but has had years of experience both prosecuting and defending cases in state and federal court.
The detective has determined that the trajectory of the entry wound and the bullet as it traveled through the girl's body is inconsistent with what the father told him as far as the position of the gun and where he was when it discharged.
More troubling information in the affidavit comes from Wilson's family. His wife says he's severely depressed after losing his job, and his 7-year-old son, in a forensic interview with CPS, makes allegations that Wilson is not careful with his weapons. He stated that his dad has shown him how to load and unload guns and plays around with them and pretends he's going to get them with it. He stated that he takes the bullets out and points the guns he gets the closest to. He stated that he runs after them. He stated that he is playing around because he has pills that make him sleepy and he does not know what he is doing. He stated that he takes pills in the morning and at night and he plays with the guns in the middle. And Wilson is still in jail tonight on $100,000 bond. This case has not yet been presented to the grand jury. Steve?
All right, Laurie, that last business from the 7-year-old is what's going to get everybody's attention. So I know what the questions will be, and the questions will be, is the mom in any trouble? She was in the room when the shooting happened, according to police, and in the home, presumably during all this stuff the 7-year-old is talking about. Is the mom in any trouble at this point?
I'm told she's not, and it might be a real stretch to try to prove that she was there if this other stuff was going on. But she does have the other siblings of this little girl, Anaya. She has them with the stipulation from CPS that dad is not around.